Uyen Nguyen. I'm labor and behavioral economist at the Luxembourg Institute of Socio-Economic Research. 20 years ago, I could never have imagined the job I'm doing today. I was born in Vietnam. I arrived in France in 1994 with a scholarship of the French government. My parents always made me understand that education and knowledge are the key to have a better life. When I was a little girl, I dreamed to be a French teacher, then an architect, then a painter, but never a researcher. It's only when I did an internship in an enterprise as part of my master's degree that my interest in human relationships really appeared and indirectly led me to my actual job. Indeed, my research focuses on interconnections in the world of work between firms, organizations, workers' behavior, actions of public authorities in the context of population aging, greening, and digitalization. I wonder, for example, what are the consequences of digital development on employment and well-being? It is an exciting job as it allows me to work on issues close to the challenges of society. I use rigorous reasoning and detailed data to offer new knowledge to the scientific community and reflections to policymakers, experts, and social partners. Scientist is a challenging job. I have faced failures, frustrations, and a lot of stress. However, I'm lucky enough to work with great colleagues with whom I can share my thoughts and build exciting projects together. To my daughter, as to all other young girls that are interested in science, I would say be curious about everything and don't be afraid of failures. No one is born a scientist. It is something you can become over time with hard work and resilience.